chairperson, principal sir, teaching staff, their parents, and dear students. I wish you a very happy Children's Day to all. It's thrilled and privileged to be here. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Teacher is your second mother. Why? Teacher refers to your mother. There for you. Point number one, teacher is always there for you. It means in the times of study problems that you have difficult solving or life that you can't figure out, your teacher is always there for you. Point number two, she or he is your guiding light. A teacher shows you the right path. Point number three, teachers are sometimes harsh, but only because they love you. Just like your mother, sometimes your teacher is harsh with you. However, this is only because they love you or they want to make you a better individual. Point number four, a teacher is fully selfless. It's tough being a teacher. They care more about you and deeply concerned about your studies. Point number five, teachers are inspirational. Teachers truly inspire you and push you to follow your dreams. A teacher stands by your every step on the way and show you the right path and help you to be a confident person. Point number six, only a teacher can push you to explore your full potential. A teacher sometimes knows your strengths better than yourself. Point number seven, a teacher is everything. A teacher is everything. She or he is a guider, an eyes of you, an enemy, or a parent. Point number eight, a teacher is not afraid of telling you the truth. All those times you hate your teacher for being harsh with you, but still then they molded you into a better individual. So here is the word for you. We love you, children, from the bottom of our heart. You are shining stars and gift of God. You are the light of the darkness, and we pray for your brightest future. And you are the glimpse of the future. You are the channel we want you to shine. You are the channel we want you to fly. Thank you.